It's great, 10 years with NAI. We contacted them, they have a great program for us.
They're real excited about it, and they're excited about kind of, the next 10 years. Honestly, the biggest thing I think is the group we have today. So the future is bright. Grown a lot, new faces. So anyway, all right. Future faces.